states that what is the quotient of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. So there's a lot of ways to actually solve this problem. So let me just write this down first. So it says here, what is the quotient if I, so x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3, and I'm dividing it by x minus 1. So again, what I'm doing here, this is the concept of, you will probably learn this concept in polynomials and polynomial functions, specifically in grade 12 advanced functions. If we were to find the quotient or something, the quotient of two polynomials, what we would do is we would use long division, right? So again, you can choose to use long division, or you can use synthetic division. I'm going to choose to do long division in this case. So I'm going to put this here. I have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3, and I have x minus 1 here. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm taking x minus 1, I'm multiplying by something to get x cubed. In this case, I'm multiplying by x squared, which means x squared times x, I get x cubed. X squared times negative 1 is minus x squared. And this here I'm subtracting. This here is negative 3 minus x, right? So minus 1 would give me negative 2x, right? Negative 2x squared. I bring down the plus 5x here. And then I'm doing now the operation x times what equals negative 2x squared. I'm going to need negative 2x. To fulfill this condition. So negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. And then negative 2x times negative 1 here is positive 2x, right? Subtracting those things together, negative 2x squared minus 2x would simply be 0. So that cancels out. And 5 minus 2 is 3x, right? So 3x, I bring down the negative 3 here. Just make some more real estate here. And 3x minus 3, I'm multiplying what number to get 3x? I would multiply by positive 3. Positive 3 would give me 3 times x here is positive 3x. 3 times negative 3 here is minus 3. Subtracting these two numbers, and I get a remainder of 0. So 3 here, this here is 0. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Negative 3 minus 3 is also 0. So here, the quotient for this problem, the answer to this problem is this here, right? Oh, sorry. Let's make a box here. It's x squared minus 2x plus 3. So you can rewrite this solution as, you can now say that this here equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. And if you actually, what you could do to verify this answer is you could use distributive property and multiply these two together to get our solution, our question here, if you want to verify with that. But here is my answer, x squared minus 2x plus 3. Let's verify the solution. We use long division, so it's good. They don't show you the long division here, but I'm pretty sure, so it says here first, I'm pretty sure they're fine with it. So as the first, we need to divide the first term, which gives x squared, that's good. So you get x cubed minus 2x, good. You subtract that from this, you give it negative 2x plus 5, that's good. Minus 3 is the remainder, will be solved further. Then you get negative 2x, good. This will be the second term. Then we multiply the divisor by negative 2x. You get negative 2x plus 2x, that's right here. You subtract those two, you would get 3x minus 3, awesome. Now we follow the process again, and you get a 3, which is shown here above. You get 3x minus 3. You get gives us 0, which means our answer is x squared minus 2x plus 3. Great solution and step-by-step analysis. So this here is a correct solution and analysis here. I wish that they kind of like drew it out, like attached like an image file, instead of verbally, instead of writing it out in words. But this was a clear explanation, because I could follow it, and I could follow these terms in terms of what these steps are here. So this here is a great solution, like an image. Oh, this is image file. So this here solution is